Okay, hi everybody. BIMZ here. I'm gonna unbox this little tiny box in front of you. So let's check it out. So this is Express from California. And it says camera, battery, or something. So let's see. Oh my Jesus, thank God, it's my new iPhone 13 Plus, my new iPhone Pro, my new iPhone 13 Pro Max. I choose gold. It's my birthday. Ayan, so there you go, nice packing. I did choose gold, and ta-da, the nice logo. Alright, so where do I start? It says arrow here, so take that off, and then ta-da! Oh wow, nicely packed. And of course there is the actual iPhone. It's so gold. This is iPhone 13 Pro Max with 1 tera gig storage capacity. And the one I ordered is open line. So you're gonna fill this up, and ta-da! Holy moly, it is so nice. Oh my God, it's so pretty. The edges is so clean and gold. Of course, they'll have this little thing where you push to put the SIM card, and then oh wow, and then the power button, the up and down volume, and the camera is much bigger than my old iPhone 11 Pro Max. Happy birthday to me. So that's the actual phone. Okay, let's see what else in the package. Okay, so of course everything comes with a little Apple sticker. Of course there's the little Apple sticker, the signature one, and it comes with a little pin to open the SIM card area here. So I'm excited. And then on this little box it comes with the lightning cord. The new iPhone 13 doesn't have the power itself, the power cord, or the power supply. It only comes with this one. And there you are. Oh my God, there's my iPhone. So there, I don't need this. I'm gonna put that back and that back. Put that here. Georgie, are you okay? Georgie Boo. I'm so happy. Thank you God for the blessing. So yep, this is the cord. I did bought some stuff that goes with this one. Okay, so as you know, I did get my iPhone 13 Pro Max, and so it comes with this, but it didn't come with the charger because they said they're trying to save the world, the earth. So I also bought this lightning cord. See, you can just plug into the back of the iPhone. So you can unbox this as well. And there you go. So it's nicely packed. And there you are. And this is also made by Apple. Yeah. So the old charger that I got from iPhone 11, it still work with this one. So when we plug in, it'll just go in the back like this. It's magnetic. Yeah. So how tech. My iPhone is so pretty. So I choose gold because the new color really doesn't stand up for me. Alright, that's that. So I bought this also. I also bought a iPad Pro with my initial in it. BIMH. There you go. So that's also comes with my gift for myself. And then so I went ahead and ordered some screen protector for my iPhone. There you go. Let's open this. Yeah. Ta-da. There. Even if they are really built tough, I still like to cover my iPhone for, you know, para hindi naman, para matagal naman masira, di ba? So it comes with two, oh actually just one. Here's my screen protector. There you go. So, and there's some instruction how you do it, blah blah blah. It comes with everything that you need to cover your iPhone. It comes with nice cloth, so you're supposed to wipe it real well, even if it has not been used. So like this. So, and then it comes with a little tape. So the tape is to get rid of the lens that so like this. And I am so excited of my new iPhone. So before I put anything in it, I'm gonna put some screen protector, because my old iPhone, I drop it so many times it cracked. So all right, so we'll go ahead and cover this just for, this is number one, so we'll take the number one first. Okay, take number one off. All right, we'll put it in. Oh, this, be careful how we do it. Maybe I'll lay it in so I get some leverage. There you go. My glass cover, my new phone has a screen protector now. I hope I did it right. Yeah, oh, good enough. There you go. Ta-da! So, using this little cloth, I'm just gonna distribute everything. So, get rid of the bubble. Still not perfect because I got a little tiny bubble. And just continue to press it until mawala yung bubble. Natural lang yan because that means we're human. Diba? Ang ganda talaga ng iPhone 13 Pro Max. So the only new thing about compared to 11 and 12 iPhone is the camera has telephoto lens. Exciting. Okay, aside from this, I also bought, of course, the Apple iPhone case. So paano ba ito buksan? Okay, we'll open this. Today is my birth month, kaya birthday is bongga. Okay, so I bought this clear iPhone 13 Pro Max case para sa special for this kasi it works with this one. Ayan, so bago natin ilagay ang ating mga fingerprints, kabira natin. Ayan. Ayan. So, ready na ang aking iPhone 13 Pro Max. I love it. Thank you, God, for the blessing. So, happy birthday to me. Yay. Thank you for watching. Love you guys. Bye. This is an iPhone 13 Pro Max, and it has a 1 terabyte storage, and there is the actual cell phone and the casing, and I already put glass protector in it. So nice. Wow. So, and I bought a charger, magnetic charger, and of course a new AirPod Pro, and of course the casing from Apple, and I also bought the Wilkins glass screen protector. There is my new iPhone 13, and it comes with this little tiny box. How about that? Thank you, God.